guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing the white concealer hack. Starting off with a fresh face, I'm gonna use my foundation, and this foundation is my exact undertone and my exact skin tone. I'm also gonna be moisturizing my lip. I forgot to do that earlier. I'm going to blend my foundation into my skin. Blending that all the way down to my neck. As you can see, it is my exact match. There is no harsh lines, so I'm making sure that my foundation is well blended on my skin. Next, I go in with a concealer. This is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm gonna blend from my forehead and blend from the edges as well, and press that into my skin. Going in to blend my under eye area as well, so I'm pressing that in. You can see the shade of the concealer underneath my eye. You can see how brightened my under eye looks. I'm also gonna go in with a contour to contour my face as well. And I also go in to contour my nose. Guys, if you want to see a nose contour tutorial, do let me know in the comment section down below. It's been long I did one of these. Next, I go in with a cream blush to place on my cheekbone area. I also went in with another concealer. This is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And next, the star of the day, I'm going in with a really light concealer. This is one of the oldest concealer in my collection, and no, I didn't see the need to go buy a white concealer when I know I have lighter concealers in my collection. I'd rather use the light one because I will still achieve the exact same look, because this is kind of similar to the UK black girl makeup. If you've not seen that video, I created a video like that as well. I also went in with a setting powder to set just like I would usually set my face. This is the banana powder. As you can see the finished look, you can see how it looks on my skin, how brightened my under eye looks. I hope you enjoyed this video.